Welcome to the demonstration of 32Soft's Customer Maintenance Data Loader. This data loader was designed especially for QAD customer service users who work with a large number of customer records in the QAD 2.1.1 menu. You'll find that this efficient and productive tool allows you to download data from QAD into Excel spreadsheets, where you can easily manage customer details. Then, quickly and safely upload your revised data right back into QAD. Let's take a look at how Customer Maintenance Data Loader can help you manage your customer information with greater efficiency and accuracy. When we open the Data Loader, we see a familiar Excel spreadsheet with the addition of the Data Loader banner. The banner includes filtering options and action buttons, which allow us to download data from and upload data back to QAD. To get started, we need to first select the correct database. We click the Setup button to find the appropriate database and select it. We can set up as many databases here as needed. The fields in the header highlighted in yellow allow us to filter records by customer code, name, country, state, or type ranges. If we leave filter fields open, all customer records will be downloaded. So let's filter by customer code. Once the filter parameters have been entered, we can select the Download button. As soon as we select any of the action buttons for the first time, a login screen appears. As with all 32Soft data loaders, the Customer Maintenance Data Loader uses QAD authentication logic to validate user ID and password. This data loader validates that the user has access to menu 2.1.1. Let's log in. The data is downloaded, and we now see all records that match our search criteria. We see that the data fields of the 2.1.1 Customer Maintenance menu from QAD are displayed. The Customer field, highlighted in orange, is a key field. When a value is changed in this field, a new Customer Master record will be created. Gray highlighted fields are read-only fields, so the values from these columns will not be uploaded into QAD. Green highlighted fields are fully writable fields, so we can edit the value in these columns. Yellow highlighted fields are fields which can be updated only when certain modules are used in QAD. For this demonstration, we will change the credit limit for all customers we downloaded. Since this is a standard Excel spreadsheet, we have all of Excel's functionality, so we can copy-paste data from one cell to other cells. Let's also create a new customer. We can copy the information from the last line in the spreadsheet and simply change only the information that is different for this new record. This eliminates the need to manually enter new customers. Once we have reviewed our data, we simply click the Upload button to send our data to QAD. A pop-up screen displays the status of the upload and will indicate if the upload is successful or if our data contains any errors. Just like all 32Soft data loaders, the Customer Maintenance Loader validates data in the cells against genuine QAD logic and will return an error message if inaccurate data is submitted, as in this case. When we encounter an error, we need to close the status window and correct the error before attempting to upload the data again. We can use the Find Error button to find and fix all errors in the file. Cells that contain errors are highlighted in red. When we place the cursor in the cell, the reason for the error is displayed. We must correct all errors before resubmitting our data. Let's try to find the next error and fix it. There are no more errors, so let's try to upload again. This time the upload is successful, so we can close the status window. We can now click the Download button again to verify that our new or edited information was uploaded successfully. And we can see all information was uploaded successfully to QAD. As demonstrated, this easy-to-use productivity tool enables you to easily manage a large number of customer master records in convenient Excel spreadsheets and upload the data safely to QAD. 32Soft's customer maintenance data loader will increase productivity, reduce errors, and significantly contribute to your bottom line. For more information about this and other productivity tools, or to start your free 60-day trial, email us at contact@32soft.com. And please be sure to visit our website to sign up for our free educational webinars, www.32soft.com. Thank you for your interest in our productivity tools and for watching this demonstration.